This is just a quick little tutorial to view what assignments are graded in Canvas, how to find them, how to access them, and how to submit them. So in Canvas, students are going to be able to access all of their courses. For this class, this is physical science. So that's what students should be looking for in their dashboard. When they click on physical science, this is the home page that they will see. They have access to a few different resources, but what students are mostly using is the modules. So they can access their modules here. They can also access their modules in this initial button here. Now, every single class, what we're doing is uploaded into Canvas, both the resources, the lessons, what have you. And it's organized into its component units. So you can see what we're doing in class organized by day and date. But for students that are currently missing work, what they'll want to do is make sure that any summatives are currently turned in. Now, one way that I try to make it simple for students to identify what are summative are through a few of these little emojis. So any summative work that we have is indicated by this little 100 emoji and also the word summative. So we can see that in our astronomy unit, we have had no summatives yet. Our summative is upcoming on January 7th and 10th. We can see in our waves unit, we had a summative quiz. This is one that we had 2 class periods to work on. Students could also work on it at home. If a student is still missing, right, you'll see that this is still blank here. In order to kind of get this submitted, students will need to click on it and then actually complete the summative itself. I can see that it's late, but I'm still able to access it. Here's a grading rubric. All I need to do is click begin. Well, the summatives was a Waves in Technology project. This is one that students could do digitally, like a PowerPoint, a digital poster, etc. Students could also do it on paper. So that's one that also needs to be submitted. I can see that because it shows me that it's missing and overdue. If I keep scrolling down, I'll get into Unit 1. Again, I see another summative here, right? Little 100 emoji. Summative number 1. This is our Graphings and Patterns quiz. This was a pretty short quiz that we took back in September. And again, I can see that it's missing and overdue. And then we also had a summative where we did several labs, kind of being introduced to the scientific method and lab process, where students were able to design and conduct their own lab. There's a lot of resources for this particular summative within that link. Students can go ahead and click on that and then work through their own lab and submit it. So currently there's only 4 summatives in here, right? You see the 4 emojis indicating that those are summative. Right, there's plenty of resources in and around them that students can still access to kind of help them. They should have plenty of notes in their notebooks. We do have an upcoming 5th summative. That's going to be on our day 38 here. That will be uploaded soon. But again, students can access these at any time. They'll just want to send me an email or let me know in person once they have completed and submitted a summative so I can grade it and upload it into the gradebook. Students can come see me for help during learning labs on Mondays and Fridays. And then always send me an email whenever they have a question.